So your Facebook ads are not receiving any impressions. Here's a video for you today. We're gonna see exactly why is that and how you can fix it in just 3 minutes. It's a new series. I'm gonna go with different troubleshooting Facebook to help you out in just 2 or 3 minutes. No fluff, no big huge videos. So let's go. So in order for Facebook to start receiving impressions, first you have to understand that you have to leave it for from 10 minutes to 24 hours even before the Facebook algorithm starts providing impressions and starts showing your ads in the targeted audience. I really want to say that this time frame varies through a lot of reasons: for your country, your age of your account, days of the week, time of the day. Even if this is too loaded, Facebook will try to push it later. Your budget, everything really plays into it. So there's not just some people just wait 2 hours and it's all nice and good, start getting impressions. Some people might have to wait a bit longer. So this is the first thing that you understand. Now, if you haven't waited 24 hours, I would say really just try and keep it patient and wait 24 hours for Facebook to actually get all the things that it wants and the algo starts working. So you must do that first. Now, if you waited 24 hours and you still have no impressions, then you're gonna check all of your settings. And I'm going to list them right now here, which I actually go through when my ad does not get any impressions. Now, of course, is off by heart and I just know it. But for you, if you just starting out on Facebook, or you might have, you might not think about some things that might affect this, here it is. So this is the list if you're waiting 24 hours and you get no impressions too. So this is the list that I will check for the settings. First, your ad set daily budget is at least $10. I would say that of course you can do $5, but and again I'm talking about a conversion campaigns. I'm not talking about some engagement. I would say at least put $10 in, because of course if you want to get conversions, I don't know what you're doing and you try to get conversions with $5. But anyway, it's for another topic, another video. Just have the minimum $10 because it gives Facebook enough to actually go out there and get some data. Because if this solo data, it won't get in. Second, check that your ads are approved. Facebook might have just rejected them, and if in that occasion there's a whole other process, Facebook to actually recheck them and you can start the process all again. Now, targeting is correct. You might have missed the targeting. You might have put some strange number, and you really, guys, I cannot tell you how often when I double check before I publish, because I always do that because I have made a lot of mistakes. You have no idea what mistakes you are actually going to make. So please recheck that. Targeting, your placements are correct, your fan page is connected, you might have different fan pages, your conversion objective is correct, and your bidding is set to auto. Now, if 24 hours have passed and you have checked all those settings, something is wrong and you need to delete all the ad sets within your campaign and launch the campaign again, following your process of actually going there. So if you have waited 24 hours, you haven't get any impressions, you have checked all the settings. If you have done something wrong, you have put some crazy targeting, or I don't know, something's wrong here, and nothing happens, no impressions, I would say delete all the ads and start from again. Might some bug on the system that didn't allow the campaign to go through and actually start seeing impressions. So that was the quick 3-minute troubleshooting. If you want more, please subscribe and like. And if you want someone to actually run your ads and scale your business, book a call with me down below and we'll get to see if you actually go fit. So see you next time.